What's up? It's Bria and I'm back with another video. Today's video is more out for my fellow professional stylists. I actually signed up for a subscription called Hello Salon Pro, and basically they send you a box of different products every 2 months and you get to try them out for a way lesser price. So I figured, why not? I'm always interested in trying new things, and I hate spending the full price for all of these products and then hating some of them and never using them. So it's awesome. You get 5 full-size products and you get to try them all out. This is the April box. I signed up in May, so I wasn't expecting to get one of these, but I think because I signed up on an off month, they sent me the first month. So now it's June and I'll be getting another June box after the 15th. So this is my box of things. I haven't used anything yet. The box comes with a pamphlet. It basically, this one is the Drama Queen, and it just shows all the things that are in the box and gives you a description of what they are. So the first one that I'm going to show you is the Olivia Garden multi-brush, and I'm really excited to try these because I actually haven't used any of Olivia Garden's brushes before, but I've heard that they're great. This is the multi-brush, so it has one handle and you can detach the barrels and put new ones on, and you can actually leave them in the hair as like rollers, or you can use it as a regular brush. So that's really cool. They're ceramic, ionic, lightweight, ergonomic. There's a pick and there's a warranty on it, so that's really cool. So let's see. All right, so this is the handle and the pick is in the bottom, so you can take it out, put it back in the other way, twist it, and it locks. So it's nice to section the hair with. Then it came with 2 different sizes. So this is a 1/3/8 36 millimeter round brush, and this is a 2/1/8 56 millimeter. And they're really cool. I like these bristles. They're like sturdy but kind of soft at the same time, and I don't know, I just like the design of them. They're really cool. So let's see. So you pop this in and you're good to go. It doesn't come off. And then to take it off, you just squeeze the bottom and it pops right off, which is super cool. And I'm so excited to try these because I need new brushes. The set that they gave me is a Salon value of $27 and a retail of $44. So that's more than I paid for this whole box. So the next I want to show you is the Diva Curl High Shine. And I've used Diva Curl before, but I haven't used this particular product. The Diva Curl High Shine is a multi-benefit shine oil that gives curls the ultimate glow, and it retails for $29. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it really good. That smells so good. It smells like coconut. I don't even know, it just smells really good. Next thing I have here is the Chi Aloe Vera Curl Reactivating Spray. Leaves curls refreshed with shine and moisture, and it retails for $14. So this is what it looks like. I have used other Chi products. Again, I have not used this one. It says, revive curls and bounce them back to life with a light mist styling aid that is perfect for refreshing styles and adding shine and moisture. Directions: mist damp hair from mid hair shaft to ends and dry or diffuse. Nice. It smells like aloe, but it kind of has a vinegary scent to it for some reason. I don't know if it's just me, but it definitely smells like vinegar. I'll try it. I'm gonna try everything in here and let you know how I like it, but just from smelling it, like, if I don't like how a product smells, I don't care how good it works, I just won't use it. I'll find something else that works just as good. It smells really good, but I'll have somebody else smell it and see if they like it. Next thing is the Agadir Hemp and Red Wine Strengthening Serum. Nourishes, repairs, and restores strength and elasticity. Retails for $36. So this is really cool. From what it says on the back, okay, so it says medium weight serum with fiber enhance makes hair 3 times stronger, enhanced with plant-based phytonutrients. Oh, there is a specific card that goes with this, and the back of it says the anti-color fade, no sulfates, parabens, or dyes, which is cool. It has hemp seed oil that has an excellent ratio of omega-6 to omega-3, which are needed in stimulating hair growth, rebalances the moisture level of the scalp and hair to smooth the hair's surfaces and prevent dehydration. Red wine extract containing resveratrol and active polyphenols are 20 times more powerful than vitamin C and 50 times more powerful than vitamin E. And Fiberhance is a patented innovative ingredient that strengthens hair up to 3 times. It works by creating additional hydrogen and ionic bonds within the hair keratin structure. Penetrates deep into the cortex and restores hair fiber strength. Now, they have a whole line of this stuff. I've never used it. I actually haven't even heard of it. I mean, I know other things that have hemp in them, but hemp and red wine, like who put this together? This is what it looks like. It's purple. Oh. It smells so good. I can't even tell what it smells like. It kind of smells like wine, but it smells like... I don't even know what to describe this as. It's like florally, but like fruity. I don't know, but it smells really good. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hair pieces to get it off my hands. That smells so freaking good, guys. That smells so good. I'm gonna see what they have for their other stuff. They have hairspray, they have shampoo, the serum, they have a gloss treatment, they have conditioner, a deep repair mask, and liquid mousse styling spray. So they have a whole line, and I like that they're shaped like wine bottles. I think that's really cute. So that is that. The last thing that they gave me in this box was actually not a product, but a coupon. So it's for the Elite Beauty Society. Receive $20 off a year of insurance policy with the code SalonPro. So basically, when you rent or you own a business, you have to have liability insurance for you, your clients, your products, your equipment, all this other stuff. So I already have this, but this looks really affordable. It says protect your career today, $159 a year. Now for a whole year, $159 is not bad. And they're donating $5 for every policy sold. The benefits of having a membership with them is free ebooks and downloads, free beauty industry magazine subscription, product discounts, stolen equipment coverage, identity theft protection. And the policy coverage highlights are professional and general liability coverage for $2 million a year, product liability coverage for $2 million per year, rental damage protection for $100,000 a year, industry preferred occurrence form coverage, and instant certificate and immediate coverage. So that's really cool that they offer a coupon for this, because a lot of people don't think about it. Some salons provide this, but at least for my salon, my renters do have their own insurance, which is also super affordable. So this is just like another company that's like the one that we have, and it's really cool that I got a coupon. So yeah, if you wanted to check that out, theirs is called Elite Beauty Society, elitebeautyins.com/diversity. Turning equality into reality, one beauty pro at a time. That's cute. I like that. Well, that is all the things in my April box today from Hello Salon Pro. If you want to check them out and their subscription, I'll put the link down below. I think that this is such a cool thing, and I'm going to really enjoy trying these products. So I know I'm a little late. I'm going to be getting a June box. They usually ship their orders out on the 15th of the month, so I'm expecting it to come like the week after. So I'll definitely be posting another one of these to let you know what I got in that box. I've seen other people get like different types of balayaging tools and all different sorts of things. So different bleaches, things for you to try out. So it's not always just styling products. Sometimes it's actually tools or coloring products, highlighting products, all that kind of stuff, clay additives. I've seen a couple different things with that. So I'm really excited to use this stuff. I'm super excited to use it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.